What are the Earth's layers? For those of you that don't know, the Earth is composed of 4 different layers. They are the Earth's crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. Some of you might be wondering why the Earth is made up of so many layers. Scientists did not always believe that the Earth was always like this. They believed that when the Earth was formed, it was a hot ball made up of a mixture of different metals and elements. When the Earth finally cooled, it sank into different layers, which is why each layer has different parts and different metals that make it up and allow each layer to have its own sense of being unique. Since the Earth layers are unique in their own way, I'm going to tell you a little bit about each one so you understand the layers of our Earth and what makes each one unique. First, we are going to take a look at the first layer, the crust. This is the layer that we live on and was most widely studied and understood by scientists. This layer is very thin, almost like the skin of an apple. The crust is about 3 to 5 miles thick underneath the oceans and 20 miles thick underneath the ocean's continents. The crust of the Earth is broken into many pieces called plates. These plates typically move smoothly, but sometimes they stick and build up pressure. This pressure builds up and can sometimes eventually cause an earthquake. The second layer that we are going to take a look at is the mantle. The mantle is much hotter than the crust and has the ability to flow. The mantle is the largest layer in the Earth and is 1,800 miles thick. The mantle is very hot, composed of dense rock and flows like asphalt. The temperature of the mantle varies from 1,600 degrees to 4,000 degrees towards the bottom. The last 2 layers are the inner and outer core. These are the hottest layers of the Earth, with pressure so strong that if man tried to travel to the center, they would be squeezed into a tiny little ball. The outer core of the Earth is composed of very hot metals. These metals are in a liquid state, and the outer core is about 1,400 miles thick. The inner core of the Earth has temperatures that have the potential to reach 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The inner core is about 1,800 miles thick and also has an intense amount of air pressure, which would almost make it impossible for man to be able to travel there. It is important to have an understanding about our Earth's layers and what each layer consists of. Now that you have learned a little bit about each layer, I hope that you have a better understanding and knowledge of our Earth's layers.